Hello friends, once again welcome to our Let's Practice Kikuyu. Tujifunzeni Kikuyu, nitwerute Gikuyu session, and today I'm quite excited that we are going to be looking at how to tell time in Kikuyu. So how do you tell time? In Kikuyu we have two dimensions of looking at time. I think that's across all other settings. You can look at time from that which you see on your clock, which is measurable by clock or calendar, and that is chronological time. It's countable, it's quantifiable. The other time dimension is seasonal, uncountable. You cannot tell, you can only tell it's a span or a range from time to time, like a day or a season or a morning or a night. You don't look at a night on a clock or in a clock. You only know a night is spanning from this time to that time. Now, some vocabularies that we will need in this lesson or in your knowledge of Kikuyu time is some of them are as follows. We have thaa. Thaa is talking about time. Also means a watch or watches. Thaa, time or watch or watches. Ithaa, that means an hour. Plural to that is mathaa. So let's do it again. Thaa is time, which is watch or watches or time in general. Ithaa, if you add e here, it's ithaa, which means an hour. You say mathaa, those are hours. Ndagĩka, ndagĩka, that's a minute, or a plural, which is minutes. Nĩ thaa cigana, common question. Nĩ thaa cigana, that is what time is it? Ithaa rĩrĩ, this hour, that is this current hour. Ithaa rĩrĩ. Thaa ici is just now. Thaa ici. Then we have thaa icio, that is that time. It's not now, but it's that time, which is still within today, but it is that time, maybe in the morning, if now it's in the evening. Good. Now when we look at the seasonal dimension, those ones we are going to be looking at examples as we go along. Though we can talk of rushine for now. You can say rushine, which is morning, that is 5 a.m. to about 11 a.m. Mearaho is noon, which is 12 p.m. and thereabouts. Muthenya is a day. Muthenya. Hwaine is evening, 4 p.m. to about 8 p.m. Tuko is night, from 8 p.m. to about 4 a.m. that is before 5 a.m. and that's all we have for today. Maybe I can quickly run through the examples again. Thaa is time. It can also mean a watch or watches. Ithaa, an hour. Mathaa, hours. Ndagĩka, minute. And plural is also ndagĩka. Nĩ thaa cigana, what time is it? Ithaa rĩrĩ, this hour. Thaa ici, just now. Thaa icio, that is the other time. And so when you look at seasonal time or dimension of time, we have rushine, which is morning. Other people call it kiroko, which is also okay. 5 a.m. to about 11 a.m. Mearaho is around noon. Muthenya, that is a day. Hwaine, that's evening. Utuko, that's night. So thank you so much. You can still, people are booking for lessons on Boniface forKikuyu at ithaa.com. I encourage you to do that. If you want to do WhatsApp, people are joining, so welcome. And that is the website where I'm going to post this video, so you can check out the website. So thank you so much once again for availing yourself to read. It's only a 5-minute video. People are not commenting, but I hope they will start. But thank you so much for you who has already subscribed. So thank you so much. Maybe I don't know if to do is in Swahili a bit. Nasema ya kwamba time ama masaa huangaliwa hivi: Saa lisali moja kwa Kiswahili ni ithaa. Masaa ni mathaa, no. Lisali moja wanawa. Masaa mathaa. Dakika ndagĩka. Ni saa ngapi? Ni thaa cigana. Saa hii ithaa rĩrĩ. Saa hizi just now. Masaa haya thaa ici. Saa hizo thaa icio. Then we have asubuhi rũcinĩ, mĩaraho ni alasiri, muthenya ni mchana, hwaĩ-inĩ jioni, utukũ usiku.